well, you've got that we're bonded, insured. We show up when it's a schedule, we come in uniform. They know it's us, I hope we can also give them that honesty that we have, that they feel comfortable opening their home to us as a team and trusting us to do so. So
yeah, I think my head spins a lot when I get asked questions, and I think things, and they usually don't make sense, but I'll use this example. Why professional maid service? Probably the same reason I wouldn't go on Craigslist for a dating service if I was single. I would go to something professional. I wouldn't go on a Craigslist to find a cleaner, because I've bought things off Craigslist. I've seen Craigslist, and I'm using that as an example, but you buy something off the street like a Rolex, you get what you pay for. You go to a professional cleaning company, you're going to get just that. You're going to get what you paid for, professional, protection, safety, satisfaction, things like that.